How to fix compile error in hidden module in Excel or Word on Windows. So if you want to fix the compile error in hidden module in Excel or Windows, then what you need to do is just go with your file manager. Under your file manager, go with the local disk C or go with this PC and then open up your local disk C. And after that, you need to open up your users. Under users, you need to go with the name and go with app data. Under app data, go with roaming. And here you will have Microsoft. Open up Microsoft. Under Microsoft, you can open up your Excel or Word, anything that you are facing the problem with. And now what you need to do is just select all of these and then right click, go with cut, and now go with your desktop and paste it right here. Once you've pasted, you can go with a new name. Once you've done that, now again, you just need to simply cut it and paste it right here. The folders that you've just cut and paste, you just need to simply again select all of these and then cut and paste it right here. And after that, you need to restart and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.